Hey guys! How are you? Welcome back to my channel. I'm Shahad. Thank you guys for watching again. So, how are you? How's things? How's life? Is life treating you well? I hope it is. So, today I am going to be doing a not a colorful look. Yeah, surprisingly. That won't stop anyway. And from now on, I would like to say that I am only going to be supporting, well, not only, but mainly going to be supporting, well, yeah, actually only. Going to be supporting makeup artists who are so talented. We have like a few YouTubers around here that are like, you know, the top like 5 or 3 or... But there's so many hidden makeup artists that are so underrated and nobody's talking about them. So I would like to say, hello? Wake up! Smell the artistry. Smell the true passion. Smell the... what do you call it? Talent. I'm not saying that you shouldn't follow those YouTubers that you used to follow. No, I still follow them, but some of them are like not even as close as talented as those are. So I'm gonna be, from now on, I'm just gonna follow the real artists who are doing something. They're changing things. They're doing things like, do you know what I mean? You get the message. So today, as I told you, not as much colory, and some of you wanted me to tone down the rainbow colory theme thing. I hear you, sis. I hear you. I'm here to deliver something nice to you. So yeah, I'm ready. Are you ready? Saddle up, let's get started. Yeah. So first, I washed this face. I did my skincare routine. Did you guys watch it? Did you like it? Have you tried stuff yet? Tell me, spill the tea. I'm here, I'm listening. I just got my lighting fixed and I'm so happy. I don't look yellow anymore. I don't look like him. Anyway, I'm gonna use the Wet n Wild Photo Focus Foundation. I haven't used this in a while and I missed it. I wanna give it some more love. Also, this is cruelty free. Please keep in mind that if you wanna buy new makeup, make sure they are cruelty free. We are losing animals in this beautiful planet that we call Earth, which is actually hell. Make sure that we do the right thing. So let me apply this and come back. You see, I did not give more attention to that in the first place. When you are using good, even like not that much expensive makeup, you have to have the right tools for that. Last time I used this foundation, it was with the worst beauty sponge ever. It was like from a drugstore, I don't know, but it was the worst. It sucked all the product in and I started hating the foundation because of it, but it was because of the sponge itself. So like, keep in mind when you want to use something, just that you have the right tools. Even for like eyeshadows and stuff, you have to have the right brushes to blend. I used to say, oh no, that I don't think that it matters that much, but to be honest, it does matter that much and it makes a huge difference. How do I look? Yeah, we're gonna work with that, don't worry. So for concealer, I'm gonna use the ColourPop No Filter Concealer. I love this. I really do. I did not expect that. This is in the shade medium 22 and I feel that 2019 is gonna be the year of concealers. Fenty just dropped one. Jeffree Star is coming out with one. Who else am I missing? Concealer is life. Word. I apply a... Before I apply powder, I'm gonna use the Jeffree Star Liquid Frost in the shade Canary Bling. It's one of my faves. I'm taking like a flat brush, as you can see here. It's like a, I don't know what, this is good for masks, but I'm gonna use that to the liquid highlighter. Okay, now we can set the face. I'm gonna use the Hourglass Ambient Powder for the under eye. Gonna have a little off the juice. For bronze, I'm gonna bronze my face with this ColourPop bronzer in the shade Spectacle. Last time I bronzed with this and kind of like did a contour, but I used another foundation and it's some patchiness around, but this time I want to try it with this foundation and see the relative. No, it's great. I think it was because of the foundation. Last time I used the Hourglass Vanish Stick foundation. I don't think it works. Or maybe I didn't powder that specific spot well, so it ended up being patchy. This is perfect. Actually, I love this bronzer, but I think last time I just didn't powder my face right. What are you guys listening to these days? These days, all I am ever listening to is Mac Miller. Like, I know every song of his last album. Like, Mac Miller, he loved music so much that he actually put a lot of effort in his music, and it's not just about, I mean, even his words, like he gets so deep, and even with his music he has like so many things. He works with real musicians and like not just like a hip-hop beat and that's it. That's what music is about. Like, I feel like it saddens me that learn of these particular singers after they, you know, pass away, and my camera just shut me off. Like, Duh, hello. So what I'm gonna do now, I'm gonna do my brow and fill them in and do one eye and come back and show you what I did. So stay tuned and I'll see you in 2 seconds. Bye. Okay, so I'm back. Hi, did you miss me? Because I kind of fell asleep. I am going to dip in the shade B, which is bright yellow, and right under the brow bone, half of my brow bone, not the whole brow bone. Dab, dab, dab that in. And then on top, I'm gonna just up a little bit of the shade Ring Light, just to make it more like this, kind of like a goldy. Also, I already primed my eyes with the P.Louise Base smaller blending brush. You can see that it's fluffy on the top and it's not dense. It's like so fluffy, so you can actually like blend the shades in together so easily. I'm gonna use the shade Rusted and 518, and probably you're kidding just a little bit. His coat area, that's so cute. And the shade sorry, and the shade Rusted. Go light-handed. Next shade, Mary had a little lamb. Okay, just to darken this up with the same brush. And I'm gonna bring, which is this brush right here. It's also fluffy and cute. Shade Mary. And just blend it all together. Also light-handed. And I'm gonna dip in slightly in the shade Boutique to give us this kind of, and bring it all the way to the inner brow bone. And I'm only picking up the shade from the top of the brush right here. So you just wanna boop boop, you know what I mean? You don't wanna swirl the whole brush in. Okay, now I'm dipping on the shade Boutique and Benny, which is like together, just a little bit darker brownish shade in this brush right here. Now this brush it's a collection brush, like in a whole bundle, so they don't really have numbers, you know, like this is just like, this just says Morphe, it doesn't have like number, so I'm really sorry. And I'm just gonna put it right here and bring it all the way to this away, but then I'm gonna blend it more with a brush. Just settle this shade in. Again, I'm going with this brush right here, grabbing the same shade just slightly, and now start blending. Now make sure when you're blending any type of shade, you go light-handed, especially when it's blending. It's not that hard, but you still want to make sure you go light-handed. Okay, now I am picking up the bigger blending brush and just blending everything in together, just so we don't have any harsh lines. Okay, now I think it's much better. Now it's time for the cut crease. I've been doing a lot of cut creases. I'm not mad. I'm having a blast, and you should too. For the cut crease, it's like a half cut crease, not a whole cut crease. You know what? You know. I'm gonna take my white P.Louise Base, which I don't know where it left. It maybe ran away because same. White P.Louise Base, and pop it right here. Let me zoom you in. Wow. Hi. Okay. I know this is a mess, but we're gonna deal with this later. Let me do the cut crease. Okay, now I'm gonna stop here, and I'm not gonna try to open my eye so I don't leave any creases of my eye. Just a like loose pigment from MAC. I love this so much, and this is in the shade Rose. I'm gonna put it right where my base is, and I'm gonna use a dampened brush and dip in that shade right here. I'm just tapping in the shade. Going to add a little bit middle right here. I'm gonna blend the edges with this shade right here, which is Benny. What does Benny stand for? I have literally no idea. Okay, for the under eyes, I'm going in with a completely different shade, which is called Love That. I'm just blending it here and towards here. And I'm gonna take a bigger blending brush and just blend everything out together. For my waterline, I'm gonna line my waterline with Essence Easy Glide Waterproof Liner, which is in the shade Silky Nude. It's not white, it's actually nude. I'm gonna line my waterline and I'll show you what I'll do next. Now that it's plain nude, I'm gonna pick up the shade Love That, the one that I used for the lower lash line, and I'm gonna use like this type of brush, a very thin one, like it's safe. See what I did there? Okay, now let me put on mascara lashes on this side and I'll come back to the rest of the face. So this is the look that I created. So for the blush I will be using, that was actually supposed to be British. For blush, I'm gonna be using the Bretman Rock ColourPop collab. This is in the shade, well, first it said Stop It, and then down it says Super Shock Cheek Matte. So I don't know what the name of this blush is. Is it Stop It or is it Super Shock Cheek? I don't know, but either way I love this. I'm gonna use my new brush. I love this brush shade. I loved this blush shade because I saw it when he was doing his sister's makeup and I was in love. And he also said that this works with any skin tone. We love a thoughtful sister. Even though it wasn't James the one, but anyway, you get the point, right? Oh well. And then for highlighter, I'm going to use the Supreme Frost by Jeffree Star. I'm going to take my favorite Real Techniques highlighting brush. I love it so much. The girl didn't even need any more highlighter, but you know me. Oh god. For lips, I'm gonna use something that I didn't open still because I don't know why. So we're gonna do it together. The Lit Kit. I saw him wear it and I talked about it. So this is the Lit Lip Bundle Wake Ultra Satin Lip, I See You Ultra Lip Gloss, and Duke's Lippy Pencil. Now we love a bundle. We love our sister bundle. Am I supposed to say that every time I talk about something, or is that illegal? Can you sue me? Please don't sue me, James Charles. Thank you so much. So I opened the box and there they are. One of them is the gloss, one of them is the actual matte lipstick, and this is the lip liner. So I'm gonna apply them now and you're gonna see them with me. There they are. Woo! I love a new product, like I love them. I love them. Okay, so let's pop these babies on. I'm excited, I am. So first I'm going in with the lippy pencil in the shade Dukes. Ooh, super creamy formula. And now I'm going in with this. Is in the shade Wig. Girl! This really is satin. Oh my god, but this formula. It really is satin. Oh, on this shade. Oh my god. And last but not least, ultra glossy lip, and this is in the shade I See You. Bretman Rock, you just won this. Love with this kit. You have to go and buy these, and these are not pricey like at all. ColourPop, you're the new thing. ColourPop is winning, you guys. Hold me like a more. just a friend. Okay, you guys, yes, and that is it for today's video. Let me know what you think. If you enjoyed this video, please don't forget to like and subscribe. And you can see that bell button. Yeah, kick that, smash that, tap that, so every time I upload you will get a notification and know that me and I have uploaded a new video. If you made it this far of the video, thank you so much for watching. Let me know what you think of this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope get to see you again next time. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you later, alligator. Okay, just stop. Okay, bye.